This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lorraine Tice. Ready to live in a well-maintained home that's ready for you? There is virtually nothing that has not been upgraded, replaced or improved, from the roof, gas furnace, HVAC, windows, bathrooms, kitchen and appliances, light fixtures and gravel driveway with parking for your camper or RV. Relax on your screened porch enjoying nature in your fenced yard, or head to your new storage building on the pavers from your open patio. Another wonderful feature to enjoy is the convenient location. Walk to grocery stores, post office, doctor's or dentist appointments, or the community theater. Better yet, a quick drive to hospitals, Oaks Mall, restaurants or downtown. Call today for a private tour. Seeing is believing. For more information, review the details below.